Welcome to your one-stop shop for all things electric vehicles. Today we opening up with Tesla's Cybertruck, bigger and badder than Ford Raptor. Tesla's Cybertruck sales, overhyped or underestimated. Tesla's Giga Berlin set to unleash Model Y pre-production units in Europe. Tesla unleashes new ultra-red paint and sleek round steering wheel for Model S and Model X. Tesla forms strategic alliances to ramp up 4,680 battery production. Tesla service manual verifies presence of front dummy camera in Model S and X with HW4. According to reports from Tesla's Investor Day, the size of the Tesla Cybertruck has been revealed by company executives, confirming that it is slightly smaller than the original prototype. Tesla CEO Elon Musk had previously stated his intention to make the electric pickup smaller so that it could fit inside a standard garage shortly after the unveiling of the Cybertruck prototype in 2019. In response to a question about the biggest change to the Cybertruck from the prototype in 2020, Musk said that Tesla had reduced the size by around 3%, made the center line more level, and lowered the windowsill height. The Cybertruck is now in a pre-production beta phase, with production scheduled to start in the coming months. However, Tesla has been tight-lipped about any changes made to the electric pickup truck, including its actual size. Tesla investor Matthew Donegan Ryan claims to have spoken to Tesla executives at the Investor Day event and received confirmation of various new details about the Cybertruck. Although Donegan Ryan was present at the event and spoke to Tesla personnel, the information he shared cannot be independently confirmed, and therefore should be taken with a grain of salt. Notably, Donegan Ryan claims that Tesla confirmed the dimensions of the Cybertruck and that it is 5% smaller than the original prototype. Here's a possible rephrased version of the article that maintains the original meaning and avoids repeating points. The Cybertruck's exterior dimensions are reportedly similar to those of an F-150 Raptor Super Crew, but the bed is expected to be larger, according to recent claims by Donegan Ryan, who spoke with Tesla executives. He also revealed that the production model will have 5 seats instead of the 6-seat configuration seen on the original prototype. This was suspected after seeing the pre-production beta prototype with a modified center console that no longer looked removable. Additionally, Donegan Ryan claimed that Tesla confirmed an 18-inch center display and a second-row center display like the Model S and Model X, as well as a team working on Cybertruck accessories that will function on the 48-volt system. With the automaker getting closer to bringing the vehicle to production this summer, more official information about the Cybertruck should be released soon. The highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck has been the subject of much speculation and hype. However, a recent report by investment firm Morgan Stanley suggests that sales of the electric pickup may not be as high as initially expected. While unconfirmed reports suggest that Tesla has received 1.6 million pre-orders for the Cybertruck, Morgan Stanley predicts that it will likely be more of an enthusiast or cult car with limited volume, projecting around 50,000 units sold annually. This is a significant reduction from earlier estimates of hundreds of thousands of Cybertrucks sold per year. Tesla has indicated that production of the Cybertruck will begin this summer in limited quantities and ramp up to mass production next year, with a starting price of $39,900 for the single-motor configuration. The Morgan Stanley report suggests that the Cybertruck may carry more value in a cultural or zeitgeist sense than in a direct economic sense, and raises questions about the practicality of the vehicle for everyday use. While Tesla enthusiasts may remain optimistic about the Cybertruck's potential, the Morgan Stanley report suggests a more tempered outlook for the vehicle's sales prospects. Tesla has been granted permission to sell some of the early production Model Ys from Giga Berlin, according to recent reports. When the facility was being fine-tuned, Tesla was granted permission to build around 2,000 cars, but the early production Model Ys were not certified for public sale. However, Tesla argued that some of the units were fit for sale to the general public, and that scrapping them would damage the environment. The company wrote to the Brandenburg State Office for the Environment, LFU, explaining that while some of the units were not fit for use by employees, others were of good quality and suitable for sale. Additionally, Tesla justified selling the Model Ys using a legal argument that all restrictions imposed prior to final approval became moot after the final approval was granted. The LFU supports Tesla's decision to sell the early production Model Ys, with one executive stating that Tesla is free to process bodies that were created during the period of testing the operational capability and to sell them if they are marketable. The Giga Berlin facility is currently undergoing upgrades to improve efficiency, with production set to resume on July 22. Tesla has announced a few small updates to its Model S and Model X vehicles just days after it implemented another round of price cuts. The most noticeable change is a new paint color called Ultra Red that's being made available for both the Model S and Model X. The new paint option will cost an extra $3,000, making it the most expensive paint choice on the menu. The glass roof on both vehicles has also been updated to be lighter and lets in 5 times as much light as before, according to Tesla. While the company claims that the new roof offers the same level of UV protection, it's worth noting that glass roofs still have their pros and cons. It's unclear how much lighter the new glass roof is, but any weight reduction is a positive improvement for the car's center of gravity. There's also a performance upgrade for the Model S Plaid and X Plaid variants. These models will now come with improved brake pads with higher thermal capacity. This should help address one of the major complaints about the Model S Plaid's brake performance, although it likely won't make them track ready. Nonetheless, better pads should offer a boost to road performance. These updates come just a few days after Tesla lowered prices on both the Model S and Model X. The Model S saw a price cut of up to $18,000, while the Model X was reduced by up to $5,000. The timing of these updates may suggest that Tesla is looking to keep interest in its higher-end vehicles, particularly as it prepares to launch the much-anticipated Cybertruck later this year. It's worth noting that the Model S and Model X have been around for several years and are due for a major overhaul, but Tesla has yet to announce any plans for such updates. The last update Tesla detailed today is the addition of a round steering wheel as an option. The yoke is still available, but you can now spec a round wheel from the factory. We highly suggest you do so if ordering a Model S or Model X, as the yoke is simply worse than a wheel in real-world use. Both the yoke and wheel are no-cost options. Rumors suggest that Tesla is partnering with companies from China and Korea to enhance its 4,680 batteries, with the aim of creating more efficient and cost-effective battery cells in the shortest time possible. According to unnamed sources cited by Reuters, Tesla is enlisting the help of Chinese and South Korean material suppliers to reduce material costs and increase the energy of its latest battery cells, which will allow it to accelerate production. The specific details of these agreements have not been disclosed, but it is reported that China's Ningbo Rande New Energy and Suzhou Dongshan Precision Manufacturing have been brought in to help achieve these goals. The production of 4,680 cells will be a key factor in helping Tesla achieve its goal of producing 20 million vehicles per year by 2030. While there are currently some delays and challenges due to the new technology involved, once these obstacles are overcome, batteries will become one of Tesla's strong points. Additionally, Tesla plans to expand its own production by incorporating 4,680 battery cells from Korean LG Energy Solution and Japanese Panasonic. According to sources, LG and Panasonic are expected to provide batteries for the Cybertruck. To ensure that the launch of the pickup truck is not delayed further, Tesla has considered 3 battery options for the Cybertruck: 2,170 battery cells, 4,680 cells, and less expensive lithium iron phosphate cells. However, the company has reportedly decided to wait until the 4,680 cells are ready. Nonetheless, Elon Musk has previously stated that batteries will not be a limiting factor for the launch of the Cybertruck production, which suggests that Tesla has other options to power its pickup truck. Although Tesla has not made an official announcement or provided any specifications, the company has started delivering Model S and Model X vehicles with its latest self-driving computer, Hardware 4.0. While many were anticipating additional cameras with the release of HW4, the service manuals indicate that Tesla has reduced the number of cameras, at least for now. Towards the end of last year, an internal document from China was leaked, indicating that the 3 forward-facing cameras would be reduced to just 2. However, this information was contradicted when a hacker named @GreenTheonly performed a teardown of an early HW4 unit, revealing additional camera inputs. The situation became more complicated when the first confirmed deliveries of HW4-equipped vehicles still had 3 forward-facing cameras. Based on the previous information and the absence of red tint on the leftmost camera, there was speculation that one of the cameras was a dummy camera. This has now been confirmed by Tesla's service manual, which now states the bi-camera assembly has cutouts for 3 camera lens assemblies, but one of the cutouts is populated with a dummy camera. An image is included in the manual also confirming it is the left cutout that has no camera. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment and let us know what you thought of the video. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.